Hey everyone, and welcome to another fantastic listing from the Jason Adams Real Estate Team. This is 1717 Douglas Langtree Drive, located in North Oshawa in the Tribute community. It's a 3-bedroom home. It's got a massive backyard. It's got hardwood. It is absolutely fantastic. Take a look at the tour. So what did you think? Under 2 years old, beautiful house inside and out. For your own private showing, give me a call at 905-447-5944. Thanks so much. Take care.